Welcome to Jason on English. Let's look at discourse patterns. This time, invitations. What are discourse patterns? I've talked about discourse patterns in previous videos. Just as a reminder, some situations follow the same pattern every time. These are not conversations. They usually follow this three-step pattern. Background, hint, response from your partner. Information, question or target. This three-step pattern is very common for many discourse patterns. Background or hint, information, question or target. Invitations, basic pattern. Hint, are you busy tomorrow? Response, why? Information, question, do you want to come? What it means. When you ask, are you busy tomorrow? It means, listen to me, an invitation is coming. The response, why, means, I am listening, go ahead. Are you busy tomorrow is not a real question. Why is also not a real question. Those are parts of the discourse pattern. For example, are you busy tomorrow? Why? I'm going to a movie with my friends. Do you want to come? Hints. Hint about the time or day of the event. Be very clear. The time or the day. Are you busy tonight? Are you busy tomorrow? Are you busy on? This is not a real question. It begins the discourse pattern. If you're not clear, if you say, are you busy next week? Are you busy next month? Your partner might ask, which day? That's not a good beginning of the discourse pattern. For invitations, you probably know when the event is happening. Use this part to tell your partner clearly the day or time of the event. So repeat after me. Are you busy tonight? Are you busy tomorrow? Are you busy on Friday? Response. Do not answer yes or no. The hint is not a real question. If I ask, are you busy tomorrow? And you say yes, I will give up. I will not invite you. If I ask, are you busy tomorrow? And you say no, then it might be difficult to escape my invitation if you're not interested in the event. The hint is not a real question. Do not answer yes or no. You might change your plans if the invitation is great. The best response is, why? Are you busy tomorrow? Why? This means that you understand and are ready to hear more. Questions. Here are some common questions for invitations. Use come for your plans, your home, your group. Use go in other cases. For example, it's your concert. You should use come. It's not your concert. You should use go. It's dinner at your home. You should say come. It's dinner in a restaurant with no group. You should say go. So use come for your plans, your home, your group. Use go in other cases. Repeat after me. Do you want to come? Do you want to come? Would you like to come? Would you like to come? Do you want to go? Do you want to go? Would you like to go? Would you like to go? Come or go. Let's check. You are having a party at your home. What should you say? Come or go? Do you wanna? Do you wanna? Answer? Come. Do you wanna come? You're checking out a new store. Should you say come or go? Do you wanna? Answer? Go. Do you wanna go? Do you wanna go? You have 2 tickets to a concert. What's better, go or come? Do you wanna? Answer? Go. Do you wanna go? Your family is having a picnic. What's better, come or go? Do you wanna? Answer? Come. Do you wanna come? Let's practice. Look at the situation and try to imagine your own invitation discourse pattern. After, I'll show you my example. You plan to go to the museum. Hint: Saturday. Response: information. Question: want. My example. Are you busy on Saturday? Why? I'm going to the museum. Do you want to go with me? If your example is different, that's okay, but try to follow the discourse pattern. Let's try another example. You're planning to go hiking with friends. Hint: Sunday. Response: information. Question: like. Here's my example. Are you busy on Sunday? Why? I'm going hiking with some friends. Would you like to come? Is your example different from mine? Did you follow the discourse pattern? Here's another example. You want to go to a new restaurant? Hint: tonight. Response: information. Question: like. And my example. Are you busy tonight? Why? I'm going to that new restaurant. Would you like to go with me? And one more example. You are watching a soccer game at home. Hint: next Friday. Response: information. Question: want. And my example. Are you busy next Friday? Why? I'm watching the soccer game at my place. Do you want to come? We practiced the discourse pattern for making invitations. When you want to invite someone, first give a hint. Check their schedule for the future. They don't have to answer, they just have to get ready to hear more information. Are you busy tomorrow? Are you busy next Friday? Why? Then you can tell information about the event and finally ask the person. All of these steps make the complete invitation. If you like, please watch the video again and think about events and practice making your own invitations using this discourse pattern. Thank you for watching.